In this tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how we use the Align tool in Adobe Illustrator. So the Align tool is very, very helpful to quickly align anything on your page, anything in your workspace, without having to do it by eye. So the Align tool is this window right here. If you don't have it open, you can go down to Window and then you can click on Align, or when you select multiple objects, the Align tools pop up at the top, so you don't even ever really have to open the Align tool over here. So how the Align tool works, let's say I want to align all of the green boxes, so I'm going to hold down Shift and select all the green boxes. Then you have horizontal align left, horizontal align center, horizontal align right. So what this is everything will line up on the right side. Now it's kind of hard to see some of this, so we'll do it like that. So everything you'll see is lined on the left, everything is aligned down the center, and everything is aligned on the right. There's also aligning from the top, the bottom, and the middle as well. So I'll show you what that looks like. Oh my goodness. Put all these red squares. So if I select all these red ones, I can align from the top, the center, or the bottom. Now, the other buttons are pretty interesting. So I have my green here. Let's align it down the center. Then what we have is we can vertically distribute from the top. So this has equal space between the middle, the center of each one. So here, if we notice the top from here to here is the same, here to here is the same. So even though these ones are overlapping, the space from the top is going to be the same. So if we had boxes